Hello, and welcome to Your Perfect Cat. I'm here today to talk about walking your cat in the dark again. We do it a few times whenever Val actually wants to do it. It isn't something that he always wants to do. And I just want to give you a few other pointers. Uh, your cat can see a lot better in the dark than you can. So the chances of you coming up on an animal that your cat's not aware of first are really slim. That said, um, I know around here there's various animals, and if I see them outside, I don't let the cat out. You do want to be, you just want to be mindful and be on the lookout. My preference is to kind of go out when it's not quite so dark, right before sunrise. If I can get Val to wait, then I try to do that. We also have a new animal uh, that's giving us a little bit of trouble, which happens to be a feral cat. He's not friendly with people, and he's not terribly friendly with cats. And I think I'll show you a video later and tell you more a little bit about this feral cat. Um, so you do want to be careful, anytime you're walking. I don't care whether it's daytime or, early morning or late evening, for, you know, absolutely watch out for dogs and for other strange cats, because you just don't know how your cat's going to react, and you want to be able to immediately scoop up your cat if you need to, or stop another animal from attacking your cat. So, hope you enjoy these little videos of our most recent walk in the dark. And please be sure to subscribe, share these videos, and share the some of the training videos and whatnot. And be sure to like and send me comments. I answer every single one. Thank you. Hey Val, what's up there? Yeah. Should we keep going? No. It was only your leash. Good boy. You coming? thank you for watching. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.